In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your profit margin on Shopify and better understand your store's profitability. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Analytics from the left-hand menu. Next, select Reports to access Shopify's reporting section. In the search bar, type Profit Margin or Profit and open the relevant report available on your Shopify plan. The report will display important metrics such as net sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit, and profit margin percentages, helping you evaluate your store's financial performance. Use the date filter at the top of the page to analyze profit margins for a specific day, month, or custom period. You can also review profit margins by product to identify your most profitable items and optimize your pricing and inventory strategy. That's it! You can now view profit margins on Shopify and use the data to make smarter business decisions.